Alright, so not exactly the warmest day, but I'm out here. I went to a local a tree company, Baker Trees. Love the guys. They do good work for me, and they said I could come over and pick up all the mulch that I wanted. So I've got two of the Birdie's raised beds out here in front of the house. I've convinced the neighbors that they are his and hers bathtubs, but filling them up right now. So you can see in the bottom, I just put 3 logs. They have enough mulch there, and I wanted to break down a little bit quicker, so I'm going with the mulch. This is really some good stuff in that it's not just the tree trimmings. This the guy said it's a stump grinding, so I should be getting, there's some decent amount of dirt in there too. So all right, well, I got a full truckload to get done, so back to you later. All right, we're making progress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts showing, so I'm going to go up to about only where there's 2 showing, so probably right about up to here with the mulch and everything else, because I fully expect after a week or 2 it's going to drop a little bit. So you can count the ones in here, and maybe I'll do that later, but I still got more to go. I still got a lot more in there, but I'm just realizing I ain't quite as young as a 20-year-old anymore. All right, back to work. Yeah, I needed another break, so it's time for another little quick video. So I did get this one up to, I stopped at 3 bolts. You know, I'm not sure how how big that is. It's at least a hand step, but I'm gonna let that settle and see what comes of that, because I got a bunch of straw too. I forgot about the straw I picked up too that I got to put in there. So here's the other raised bed, and you can see I got a bunch of rotten wood this time in. The other stuff is some really nice, probably green or just dead, but still pretty green wood in it. This has got a lot of stuff from a tree I cut down years ago. Well, actually Baker cut it down, that one too. But so we're going to be filling that one up with more of this wonderful stuff here. You can see some of the straw coming into it now, because I'm getting down the last bit, and you probably, I don't know if it picks it up, but it's snowing. It's been snowing the whole time I've been doing this. I never thought I'd have to worry about getting snow in my eyes while playing around with mulch, but that seems to be a thing today. Okay, so I took it down to the 4th nut. And don't say anything about the nut holding the camera, because I realized suddenly I needed more in this front bed than I did in the back bed, because I didn't have as much logs. And I probably, next time learning is fill one, fill the other. 1 bucket load here, 1 bucket load here. That way it'll even out in the end. So, and now I got to put some straw down, because I have a good bunch of straw to put on there. That should fill these up, and then I just got to worry about keeping the straw inside them. There we go.